Hi guys, this is Alston Antony and I make AI digital marketing simple for you. I'm not an expert or a big internet guru or not a perfect guy because I make a lot of mistakes. Even while I recording this video, I took probably around 5 retakes. You will only see one. But I'm not perfect. I try every single day to be a successful digital entrepreneur and also at the same time spend time with my loving family, my wife, and a cute little naughty baby also. I have been in digital marketing for over 15 years. You can read a in-depth about if you wish. I will leave a link in the description. I have co-founded two digital marketing agency and I have also taught personally to over 20,000 plus students digital marketing worldwide. So when I talk about digital marketing, I'm going to be sharing everything from my personal experience and learning from all the experts, good, bad, just all the sources. It is going to be my life experience sharing with you. This channel is not about fancy graphics, corporate branding, or everything perfect. It is going to be progressive channel. I'm going to be sharing everything you directly as I talk to you in personal life. I'm going to be showcasing everything to you. The main thing is digital marketing AI just revolutionized right now. So 2025, everything is going to be AI and AI is going on a rapid development at the moment. So this channel focus has been shifted, rebranded into AI digital marketing. I'm going to be sharing you all the best useful AI development solution apps which are not just hype but actual practical use cases for your professional career and as well as for your business. I'm going to be sharing how you can create new websites, manage websites with very easy with the help of AI. I'm going to be showcasing you how you can do SEO with AI, social media marketing with AI, all the different digital marketing with AI. And I'm also introduce you a brand new digital marketing called GEO, which is generative search engine optimization, which essentially mean making your brand more visible in chat GPT, perplexity, any LLM models which be coming on to the future. You search for it, your brand comes into that. So I'm going to be sharing all the experience which I personally have gathered, and I'm also going to be learning more new stuff and sharing with you. If this is something interest you, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Every new subscriber is just not a number count for me. It is a personal value. You are giving something for me, and in return, I need to be providing the value for you. So it is very special. You can search my name, which is Alston Antony, on any platform. So that is where digital marketing should be a multi-channel approach. So search my name, my brand name, Alston Antony, on anywhere you will find me, or you just can go into my website alstonantony.com and you can find all the places which you can connect with me. It is not going to be one way communication. I'm just going to be teaching and not going to listen to your thoughts. It is going to be a two-way approach. Make a video, I listen to you, I make a new video. I'm going to create content based on it. So it is going to be very interesting 2025 and I hope you will stick with me and make both our careers very successful. Once again, thank you so much and have a great day. Cheers.